The 2018 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior, a powerful V6 option, and excellent off-road capability, and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row, and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 5,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: leather-wrapped steering wheel, compass, power door locks, fog lights, electronic stability control, trip computer, leather seats, day-night rear view mirror, outside temperature gauge, chrome rear bumper. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.